Hello students, today I start the new chapter data handling, that is chapter 3 data handling. So in this chapter as we read data handling, so what is the data? First things come in mind, what is the data and what is its use in our daily life? So data is like something, the collection of numbers, and every day you watch in the television, nowadays present time, a disease spread all over the world, COVID-19. Every day we observe how many patients of corona in UP, in Maharashtra, in Andhra Pradesh, in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala. So number of patients with a collection of numbers, that is the data. So handling means carry. In class 6, you have learned to collect data, tabulate and present it through pictographs and bar graphs. The collection, recording and presentation of data help us organize our experience and draw inference from them. So data is a collection of numerical figures gathered to have some desired information. Several kinds of data can be seen in a newspaper, magazine, television, etc. Each data is collected to give some specific information. Before collecting data, we need to know what we would use it for. In this chapter, we shall learn to collect data, vice versa, its use, tabulate, and present the same through various mode of presentation. Various mode of presentation like average, mean, median, and mode. So first of all, we write the definition of data. What is data? Data is a plural word, and what is a singular? Datum. D-A-T-U-M. Datum is its singular. The information collected in the form of collected in the form of numbers, is called data. For examples, the marks obtained by 10 students in class test, about 50 marks, 25, 30, 65, and so on. For example, The marks of 10 the marks of 10 by 10 students then in a class test of 50 marks of 50 marks. Thirty-five, 20, 45, 48, 38, 49, 50, 17, and 28. These are the marks obtained by the students. 35, 20, 45. How many students? 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the collection of data. This is called the data. The collection of numbers. And each number is called an observation. Each number called an observation. 35 is one observation, 20 is another observation, 45 another observation. There is a 10 observation. Each number is called the observation. Another is range. What is range? Range is the difference of highest observation and lowest observation. What is the highest observation here? U. So that is the formula. Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. Lowest observation. So what is the highest observation here? Highest observation, that is the 50. So you write 50 minus lowest observation here 17. So minus 17. And you subtract here, you get the range. So 10 from 7 from 10, you get 3. And 1 from 4, that is 33. That is the range of given data. So how to find the range? First, arrange the data in ascending order or in descending order. Then write the formula. Range equal to highest observation minus lowest observation, and solve the question. Next topic is frequency distribution table. So representation of data in the form of table is called frequency distribution table, or simply frequency table. The number of times a particular observation appears is called its frequency. So now I am writing the definition, and all the definition note in your copy. So next is frequency. What is frequency? the number of times a particular observation appears is called its frequency. Like my finger, if I vibrate it, how many times it's vibrate? The number of times a particular observation appears is called its frequency. And how many times it's vibrated? And how many times a number is occur? Average frequency, how many times? Okay, you understand in the example if I give it. So average is a number that represents or shows the central tendency of a data. Average or arithmetic mean or mean. These three sense belongs to that formula. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. A for arithmetic, M for mean. Total number of observation upon number of observation. So learn the formula first and then we solve the exercise 3.1. Okay. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. Find the mean of the first 5 prime numbers. So first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Question is find the mean. Now mean or arithmetic mean, so that's same thing, right? Mean is equal to total number of observation upon number of observation. So first write the formula. So this is the solution. Total number of observation means sum of observation. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 upon number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now add them. 11, 7, 18, 2, 20, 5, 25 and 3, 28 upon 5 is equal to divided. That is 5.6. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Find the mean of first 6 multiple of 4. So first we write the first 6 multiple of 4. So these are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. Multiple like that table. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 is 12. First 6 multiple. Mean, you have a formula, total number of observation upon number of observation is equal to, so sum them 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 24 upon 16. So then add them. So sum of these numbers is 84. And number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write 6 here. So divide by 6. 6 1 is 6 and 6 4 is 24. So you get the mean is equal to 14. This is the answer. So remaining question number 3. Find the mean of first 10 even natural number. So first 10 even natural number. So formula is same, so I am not cleaning the formula. Question number 3. First 10 even natural number. First 10 even natural numbers are even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 10 even number. 14, 16, 18, 20. First 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And formula mean total number of observation upon number of observation is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 upon 10 is equal to, now add these numbers. Yes, that is 110 and divide by 10, so you get 11. So I hope you understood the mean or arithmetic mean or average, the same thing. Next question number 4. Find the following weights are given 11 pupils. Find the mean weight of the pupil. Okay, so that is the numbers are given. Weight of 11 pupil. Weight of 11 pupil. Weight of 11 pupil 70 in kg. Okay, 70 kg, 62 kg, 54 kg, 62 kg, 84, 75, 59, 62, 65, 78 and 60 kg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pupils weight. Now, so first part is find the mean weight of the following pupil. Mean weight So find the mean, total number of observation, that is 70 plus 62 plus 54 plus 62 plus 84 plus 75 plus 59 plus 62 plus 65 plus 78 plus 60 upon 11. Now add and divide by 11. So sum is 731 and divide by 11. So we get 66.45 kg approx. So it's B part. How many people weight above the mean weight? Above the mean weight. B part. Check the B part. The mean weight is 66.45. So how many are above the 66? So above of, that is first 1 and 2, 3, 4. How many? Is it 4? 4 people. 4 people weight is above the mean weight. C part. Find the range of the given data. Range. So you know the range very well. Highest observation minus lowest observation. So highest observation is 84 and highest observation, that is 84, that is the highest observation, and lowest observation, that is 54. So subtract it and you get the range, that is 30.